Hi, welcome to your 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm your host, Nick Rowert. With me today is Scott Kuby, our chief strategist here at CLS Investments. Scott, obviously two kind of major things going on this week. We had the Scotland vote, of course, and then the Fed giving a little bit further guidance on limiting interest rates. Quick, give us your take on the Scotland vote.
Good news for investors. It removes some uncertainty, especially for the UK and Europe, but really globally. So a very positive news. We're glad to see it.
So jumping over to the Fed announcement, I noticed in the article you poked a little fun at the press coverage, of course. So just give us your takeaway.
The press is really speculative, but the Fed just doesn't know what they're going to do. Our key takeaways: the decision is going to be data dependent. Rates are going to stay low for a long time. We're seeing some tightening in policy because they're removing some of the QE. And overall, we expect markets to be more volatile. And partly because the next interest rate increase is closer than it was before. We're getting closer to rates going up.
Okay, so moving on from heavily covered to rarely seen. We've seen some academic research on low volatility stocks, which CLS has used for a number of years. What made you want to subject us to academic research?
It's good. It's a fair question. Because these low volatility stocks have done so well, we wanted to understand a little bit more why and share that with the viewers. Two big things. One is low volatility industries tend to do a little bit better than high volatility industries. The big impact is owning the least volatile stocks within industries. So low volatility technology does better than high volatility technology, as an example.
So we should thank you for the smart stuff.
Yes, that's exactly right.
So the elections are in November. What do you see for the Senate?
We're seeing a slightly more than 50% probability the Republicans will take the Senate this year. We don't really expect a whole lot of impact on markets because they're still not going to hold the presidency, even if they are able to take the Senate. And therefore, close elections, probable Republican gains, not a big impact on portfolios.
A lot of mudslinging, as always.
I think that should be what we see.
All right. Well, thanks so much.
You bet.
And that'll do it for this week. As always, thank you for your time and trust in CLS Investments.